What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul. This haul is from a company called Temu. It's sort of like a company like Amazon or AliExpress, something like that. They're new. I've seen them trending on YouTube, but they haven't reached a lot of people yet. So I'm here to test out some things. I got a box of stuff from them and I want to show them to you guys, and you guys can determine if it's worth it or not. But I want to see if the stuff that I chose is exactly what I got in the box. So I do not remember what I got to be honest. So let's just go on and open it up. So this is the box. Of course you gotta pose for the thumbnail. Alright, so that's the box, and let's open it on up. Where's my scissors? I don't have scissors, but I do have a pen. You know, I really need to get a box cutter because I need something to open up my little PR packages or whatever. This is the first thing you see when you open it up. So these are what the bags look like. Why is there one small thing in this huge bag? BFFR. But not customer still. I like the bag. I like that it has the logo on the bag. So let me see what's in here. I got a suede cleaner because, you know, my boyfriend's Clark's. I don't know if you know if it clean is. Well, this should help. This should help. You know, this is what it looks like. Excuse my nails. Jesus. It's like every time I come on here, my nails look like rubbish. It looks like an eraser. All right. Of course, I don't have no suede, so I don't know. We'll just test it out when I see him and see if it works. So item number 1 down. I don't know how many more to go, but let's go. This is, I think this is a bath mat. I got it from my dad. I don't know. I just picked some really random stuff. Yeah, this is what I got. It's actually bigger than I thought it would have been. Nice. Nice. It's really soft. This is what the pattern looks like. It's really soft and it's not thin at all. It has that, what do you call this? I don't know exactly what you would call it, but the bottom is non-stick. So you know, when you put it down, it's not gonna flop all over the place and move all over the place. But I think that's how all bath mats come. But if they don't, then this one is good. And then fold it up really nice. So next item, I think I know what this is. I wanted to pick up some stuff for Shanita because you know she's having a baby or whatever. And this is you know those carry-on thingies. So this is what it looks like. Let me try to put it on. I saw this weird. I'm not sure. Like, where do you put the kid? Do you put the kid in here? Maybe you put the... Listen, I am not a mother. I don't know how this works, but I feel like when the kid turns 1, that kid can fit in here. But until then, I don't know. A newborn fitting in this? I'm not so sure. But hey, at least she won't have to buy one when the kid turns 1. So you see, think smarter, not harder. If you got this since the guy get you, don't leave me around young. It also came with this little pouch as well. Oh, you can actually attach it to it somewhere because it comes with... Can you? Well, then we figure it out. You can open it up here and put some additional baby stuff in there. I don't know about Pitney, but you know, I'm trying, okay? I know I got something else for this child. I did not remember it being this color. I think it's one of those blanket things, like a swaddle. So this is what it looks like on the outside, right? So basically, when the child is lying down, you would zip it down. You zip this down and you put them inside. So this is what inside looks like. It's really soft. It feels like a comforter, to be honest. So you just, let me demonstrate. with my teddy bear. So you put the kid inside, right? And you just zip them on up. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. So this is how the child would look inside this swaddle. I don't know, I thought it was a good idea at the time. I think it's nice. I still think it's nice, you know? On to the next item. I was kind of excited for this because I am trying to expand my bag collection. So I saw this and I had to have it. I just had to have it. So this is what she looks like. Isn't it the cutest thing ever? Ah! And you open it on up and it comes with straps. And oh, this is stuffing. So I guess these straps would go, I'm not really know right now, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. This is super cute. I love it. This is adorable. We're not done yet. We got a couple more stuff. Oh yeah, I did pick this out because I was like, let me get one little Christmas thing. This is what this looks like. I'm probably either going to take it to Portland and put it on my door there, or I might put it on my door here. But it's because I know if I don't go home and do something with daddy, he's not gonna decorate, he's not gonna do anything, he's not going to pull out the Christmas tree, because I literally have to go home every single year and pull out that Christmas tree. And it's not even a big Christmas tree. We literally don't even take off the ornaments every year or the lights or everything, because it's a tabletop Christmas tree. It can hold right here. We just take it up, put it back in the storage room, and when it's Christmas again, we take it up, fluff it out a little bit, and put it back. Too lazy man. So I'm gonna put this on the door there, and I think it's very cute, very nice. Just put everything right here. This box here, I believe it's one of those things that you hang up in the bathroom. Where's my pen that I was using to open? Oh, I got it in white. Why would I do that? I do not remember getting it in white. But hey. Oh, it's black and white. Oh, okay. This is what it looks like in the package. But I can't bother to take it out of the snow, so I'll put a picture of it right on up here. So that's what it's supposed to look like. But it's not in black. It's in white. I got a mini UV plus LED nail lamp because I was going to try to start doing gel-X by myself. So that's what the product looks like. And if I don't use it, I'll give it away, because sometimes I just be getting stuff or buying things that I just do not use. So it needs to be plugged in, but basically you just put the gel on, then put the nail on top, and you put your thumb or whichever finger under here, and the light will light up right there. This is what she looks like. The top is pink. It's really cute and small. I like that. I also got this. I think it's to put in the drain to stop the hair. This that I was showing you guys earlier, it's actually not to go in the sink. Excuse the dog in the background. I don't know why they feel like they must make noise now. But yeah, this is not to go in the sink. This is actually a makeup brush cleaner. Yeah, you put the brush in here with the soap and whatever, and it cleans the brush. I don't know why I didn't remember that. I also picked up this claw clip because it was green. First of all, you know, y'all know that green is my color, and I don't have enough of these clips, so why not? Nice jade green color. Super cute. I love it so much. I also got this brush because I needed a detangling brush. Suppose my hair grew back and I just want it for my wig, so why not? It's a flexible one. Yes sir. I don't know what this piece is for. Maybe it's to keep these together so they don't go all over the place, but I'm not sure. But this feels very sturdy. I don't remember picking pink. Sometimes with these sites you have to really read the description, because sometimes they give you the specific color and sometimes in the title or description it says random color, so you literally get any color they pick. I also got some beauty blenders because child, let me show you my beauty blender, because Y'all are going to be disgusted. Nah, look at this. This is atrocious. Anyways, these are the new ones. This is what these look like. It is like a bluish green color. Oh, these feel nice. They feel really nice. So that bluish green color and yellow. Don't remember what it is, but we're gonna find out. It's those must be put in the front of your door, like when you're just going into your house. It says home. It smells like a yoga mat and it feels like a yoga mat as well. It's thin, but it feels extremely durable. I don't know how to explain it. It feels like rubber. I don't know, it feels really nice though. The top of it slightly feels like suede, but not really. I don't know how to explain this. I don't know my fabrics. If you've been watching me, then you know that I don't know fabrics. So I really need to learn the name of my fabrics. Anyways, I got myself a little planner because I have been trying to do digital planning on my iPad, but the problem that I have with that is that Kingston is not a nice place, and whenever I'm going to run my errands, I am not bringing my iPad on the road because I am not about to let anyone steal my bag and steal my iPad. So this is what she looks like, and I love that it is very small simply because I can just throw it in any bag that I bring. I didn't want an extremely big one. If this could have been smaller, that would have been fine too, but I feel like this is the perfect size. Over here it just says weekly planner non-dated. I like non-dated planners because sometimes I'll miss days and I don't want to skip the pages or mark out the dates. So yeah, it looks like when you open the first page, and this is what the other pages look like. That's pretty much it. And I forgot this as well. I just found it when I was cleaning up everything. But basically I got 20 of these little clear bags. This is to put your fashion jewelry in so it doesn't really change or turn green very quickly. It's like an oxidization storage. Yeah, that's right. That is basically all the items that I got. You can get all types of stuff on that website, from jewelry, clothes, home decor, appliances, knickknacks, paddywhacks, give it all a bone. If you want to shop, make sure you use my coupon code, which will be right here, to get 40% off the entire website. 40% off my one little code I'm gonna give you now. And this is not for a limited time, this is just forever. Forever. Alright, so make sure you click the link in the description box below and go shop now. And a big thank you to Temu for sponsoring this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Say bye to the people. Bye!